Hi, I'm Becky.
And I'm Hannah.
And welcome to Banana Talk!
Okay, so today on our segment, Banana Talk, we're here to talk about sunglasses. Yes. Sunglasses. They're not only for protecting you from the sun, but they are a part of your fashion. So, Hannah, do you have anything to say about this?
I think I do. I think I do.
Okay, well, we're gonna let her have some tag on this, yes.
And I shall do so by once again breaking out in song. Oh, when it's sunny outside, you protect my eyes from the beaming sun rays. You aren't just a normal, ordinary thing. You are my Lord Savior. And sing.
Okay,
Thank you.
Well, that was very...
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you, you guys.
Okay.
I love you, fans.
So, that's it on our show, Banana Talk, but stick around. Every day there's a new episode, so see you later. Bye!
Bye.
So...